In this episode of EG's Garage, I take my hand at clay barring the CL500. Coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to EG's Garage. My name's Eric. And today I'm going to try something that I've not attempted before on any of my cars. So I'm going to actually try to decontaminate the paintwork on the CL500. Now I've already done a couple of spots. I'm not going to tell you what I think yet, but so just to give you an idea, this is a part that I've not done, and you can tell that like when you put your hand over a car that's being polished, it should be just like really smooth. We all know how that feels, right? That just feels terrible. Like this car's not being looked after. I've done it on this, and you can tell. See, it doesn't make that sound. Okay, I still think we need to do a paint correction because there are scratches and soil marks, but that's okay because what I'll probably end up doing is get it ceramic coated anyway, and whoever does that will just be able to do the paint correction as part of that process. Okay, so I'm using the Bowden's own clay bar kit. Pretty much comes in that kit, just comes this clay bar, and on the packaging it says to use their Boss Gloss product, which is what I use for instant detailing. So the method really is just keeping that pad wet, keeping the surface wet, and then in broad straight strokes. So you can hear the pad like really working. Actually, it's a bit scary because it's just you hope it's not scratching the paintwork. Okay, so once that's done, grab your microfiber cloth and dry the surface. So this process is specific to this Bowden's own brand. I would imagine that every brand has its own way of applying a clay bar, but and I might even do a review because I've actually bought another one just in case. I know it's a bit silly to do that, but I've actually bought another clay bar kit. So look, big difference, but the paint still looks, it's just, I mean, black's a terrible colour, I think, but yeah, it's definitely an improvement. Anyway, so there we go. It's definitely coming up better, but there's still marks on there I can see. They're probably stone chips, etc. So now we'll just give the sides of the car are going over with that clay bar. So this is before, and let's do this side now. Oh wow, guys! Like, it's obviously gonna, I don't know if you can see, I mean the camera really doesn't do it justice, but like the side, you can tell obviously the sides of a car are less susceptible, I guess, to all the contamination and just damage that occurs on paintwork, because the side of this car, it's unbelievable. So good. That came up brilliant. So I haven't done this side yet. So look at this comparison. Sorry about the noise if you don't like it, but so that's without, and that's with. Wow, look at that. See? So this is how excellent doing that job. I mean, you can even see, well, you can see I can see myself in there too. But anyway, it's all about the feel of it, and you can feel that here. The clay bar has actually done its job. So this is a really big thumbs up for this product. Let's do the door. And the doors come up, not surprisingly beautiful as well. I mean, to be really honest with you guys, I am so happy with how this product has actually worked. I must say that over the years that clay barring has become popular, I've always been a bit skeptical, especially with the sort of first versions of it. In that actual clay, it seemed very like a tedious process, and I wasn't really interested in attempting it. But I must say that the Bowden's product has really worked unbelievably well. I am so happy with it, and I'm glad I actually took the leap of faith to actually do it. I mean, the sides have come up way better than the top, like the hood here. I'm pretty sure that whoever's had this car before has actually touched up stone chips, because there's all these, I don't know, raised marks. They look like paint, and I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's just probably touch-up paint, which looks ridiculous. But what can you do? I mean, these are aluminium, so I suppose they're far more susceptible to stone chips than sort of normal steel roofs, bonnets and whatever. So the last part's just the other side and the top. There we go, guys. So this is the clay barring process completed. What do you guys think? I mean, it's a bit hard to tell on the camera, and plus the colour black is probably not the best colour to show it up on the camera, but I wish you guys could see it in person, because it's absolutely unreal, the job that this clay barring process has actually done. If nothing else, what it's done is actually shown up some of the things that I think the previous owner must have really used touch-up paint. I'm not sure what that is. Looks ugly. Same with the bonnet. But overall, I think it's an outstanding job. So now we now have to apply a wax. At this point in time, you'd probably, if you had a ceramic product, you'd probably do that. But I'm just going to put a carnauba wax on it, and that should be fine. In the next episode of VG's Garage, we take a look at the Sydney German Auto Fest and check out some outstanding vehicles from all the big German marques. Before I sign off, I would like to say a huge thank you to all of you that have subscribed to the channel, and a special thank you to those that have commented on my videos. See you with the next one.